Hey guys, what's up? It's AppleCritics from AppleCritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the iPhone tricks that you didn't even know existed. So this is going to be the first part of many series that will be on my channel about some iPhone hidden tips and tricks that you will really want to know. And once you know them, you're going to be using them all the time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight on into this video. So the first hidden iPhone trick is actually in the camera app. So once you go into the camera app, what you can do is just take a picture like normal, but you're actually going to see that there's an arrow pointing up, which you can actually tap on. And once you tap on that arrow, you can see that you'll get some more features down here. So you're going to see that you have the no flash. You can see what filter you want to put on. You can choose whether to make it a live photo or not. You have the 4:3 ratio. You can put on a timer. And then you have the filters button right here. Now we can easily just swipe down. And the other way of accessing it is just simply swiping up like that. Then you can see you have all these features. So you can go ahead and try all of them. So this is just for flash. So you can see that you have auto on and then flash off. And then you can see you have this one right here. So you can choose to adapt the photo to the night mode. And then you can go back into it by just swiping like that. You can choose to turn on a live photo or not. So you could just have live photo off. You have the 4:3 aspect ratio, or you can have it square or have 16:9. And then you have the portrait right here. So you could choose to make it go into portrait mode. You can see that you have all the features here that include natural light, stage light, and studio light. And you have the panoramic mode right here. So you can just press it and you can see it'll go into the panoramic mode. So you can see that there's a lot of different features that you could go ahead and enable. Now, the next great feature that you didn't know about occurs in settings. So if you go straight on into settings and then into screen time, and then you go down to where it says content and privacy restrictions, you can tap on it, and then you can turn it on. And then what you can do is go into where it says content restrictions, and then you can go scroll down and see where it says web content. And then you're going to see that you can have unrestricted access to web content and can limit certain sites. And then you can have allowed websites only. So you just tap on that. They can sort through which websites you want allowed. Now this is perfect if you give your kid a phone. You can only want them to access certain sites that include Apple and other kids' websites like Discovery Kids, Disney, How Stuff Works, National Geographic for Kids, PBS Kids, Scholastic.com, Smithsonian Institution, and then Time for Kids. You can also add different websites that you want your kids to access. So this is basically a parental lock on your phone for the internet. Now we can go back and you can just turn the content and privacy restrictions off. Now the next feature occurs in display and brightness, so you can tap on it, and then in display and brightness, you'll see that you can scroll all the way down, then you have the option for view, so you can just tap on view, so you can have standard or zoom view, so you can see the difference if you take a look at the video. So if you have trouble with eyesight, or if you just like the display zoomed in a little bit more, so you can read your text easier without squinting, this is perfect, so you can easily just switch it to zoom, and then you can just press set right at the top, then you'll have a zoomed view. So now I'll just reset the device really quick. And now if we take a look and we go into messages, for example, or just take a look at the app icons, they're a lot bigger. And this is on a iPhone 11 Pro Max. You can see how big the icons are. So you could go into the messages, for example. And now you can see that the phone is zoomed in, and you can just see how big the keyboard is now. And you just imagine the proportions of it for the overall iOS 13 experience. Now to go back to standard, all you have to do is just tap on standard and then press set and then use standard. And then you're back to your normal device, just like so. Now the next feature actually is in cellular. So if you go into cellular and you make sure cellular is enabled, what you can do is just simply tap on where it says cellular data options. And then you're going to go to where it says low data mode. And once you tap on low data mode, what it allows you to do is basically it will help reduce the Wi-Fi and cellular data usage. So when low data mode is on, automatic updates and background tasks such as photo syncing are paused, and it just consumes less data so you don't go over your data plan. Now this is a genius feature that should have been implemented a long time ago, but I'm glad it's here now in iOS 13. Now the last hidden feature is actually in the phone settings. So if we tap on it, and then we scroll down to respond with text and we tap on it again. you're going to see that you have the normal respond with text that says, sorry, I can't talk right now. I'm on my way. Can I call you later? So this is just when someone calls you and you just tap on the message button. This is what will pop up. But now you have the option to add a completely new one to the respond with text. So I could just say, I'm filming a video right now. So that could be the automated message that I send. I could just hit return. Then I can make another one there and then another one again. So you can see that I could just respond with that text whenever someone calls me in the middle of the video or just during my day. I could have a custom message right there instead of those 3 generic responses. Can I call you later, or I'm on my way? So it's just very good that that is there now. So those are the iPhone tricks that you didn't know existed until now. So please be sure to comment down below what you think of all these iPhone tricks that I showed in this video. Please also be sure to smash that like button and be sure to follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/AppleCritics and follow me on Instagram at instagram.com/AppleCritics and on Facebook at facebook.com/AppleCritics. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video and subscribe for more great content.